Now, all the transformations we've done so far have really applied to individual elements or an already grouped element. So what if we wish to select multiple items and move them together and really sort of keep them selected together so that whenever we pick them up, they're in a group? Well, I'll show you how to do that. Let's close down Transform for a second and come over to our A4 page, and we'll go ahead once again and turn on our wheel. So let's lock up the stripes, turn on the wheel, unlock the wheel layer, and what we want to do is select all of the items on this layer. Now, I'm confident that we only have the wheel circles on this layer, okay? So we could do select all, but then we're going to pick up everything else. But because I know those are the only elements on that layer, in this instance, what you can do is click this small circle on the right to target all elements on a single layer. If you click that, you'll see it's going to pick up all of those circles at the same time. Very handy. Doesn't mean they're grouped, it just means that they're highlighted. So just to make it easier to see what we're doing, let's come up to the color panel. Let's go Fill, None, Stroke, Black, and let's set a default there of maybe 2 point. Okay, so everything is now the same. So even though they're selected, like I said, they haven't been grouped or anything else, and that's a very simple command to do. Very straightforward. Command G or Control G on the PC will now group them. So if you go ahead and deselect and now come back over and click on any one of these circles, you see they all highlight at the same time. Now, bear in mind that if you wanted to access just one of them or still affect the points, you can go back to the A key to give us the direct selection tool, deselect, click back on the outside, and you do have access to the individual points as well. So switching back and forth between Victoria and Albert over there, we can easily select the shape that we need to edit, but the main purpose here is that we've grouped them so they can all be moved and transformed at exactly the same time. This will be very useful for a lot of our elements moving forward.